to be right. You might learn more from being wrong, but sometimes it's great to be right. Here's the magnetogram faded to 304 angstroms. And we're going to show you moving pictures of that magnetogram in a minute. Here's the 171 angstroms view. And here's the black and white magnetogram. And we do see some magnetic mixing on the leading umbra there, the one shown in black. You can see some white fields associated with that also. So perhaps not degrading as much as I thought. Looks like the likelihood for solar flares actually is still going up here, really. And that's a beta class sunspot, so wouldn't be surprised to see the X-ray flux come off of the floor. Haven't seen any flares yet, but we have seen a 245 megahertz radio burst, and that's a big deal. And if you were a patron, or if you were on our Subscribe Star, you would already know this. Anyway, there's the 131 angstroms view. And lastly, here's my personal favorite, the 171 angstroms view. And I'll let that play through a second time before moving on to more stuff, such as the locations of things in the solar system. There's where they are now. And by the way, the worm moon occurs today. There's where things